Hi, good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to Nirbhaya High School, Padmanagar Phase 2, Chintal, Digital Learning Classes to understand the subject easily. I am your English teacher, Ashtalakshmi ma'am. Hi, children. Good morning to everyone. What we are learning, our topic is about adjectives. Yes, children? Adjectives means what? Describing words are called as adjectives. And we have learned types of adjectives. Yes, children. Now we are going to learn about adjective formation. How adjectives are formed. Adjectives are formed by adding suffix for the noun and verbs. For the noun and verbs, they can be formed from the noun and verbs when we are adding suffix. Understood, children? Everyone knows about suffix. Yes, suffix means what? When we are adding a word to the another word at the end of the word, then it gives a new meaning or it becomes new word. Okay, children? How? See at the end. How? Able is a suffix. Where we are adding here? We are adding at the end of the word. At the end of the word, what it becomes? Breakable. Now, break is the base word. I am adding able there. Then it becomes breakable. This is called as suffix. Suffix and prefix already you know. Yes, children, I have explained you. Suffix means what? Suffix is a word which is added to the another word at the end of that word. Okay, children. Here adjectives are formed by adding suffixes for the noun or verb. It can be formed. Okay, children. Once we will see what are the words it is there. Some examples I am showing you. Okay, children. See here, adding FUL. Say hope, hopeful, skill, skillful, harm, harmless. Here we are adding LESS, less, harmless. Mercy, merciless. See here, children. See, I said no by adding the suffix FUL. Hope, hopeful. Peace, peaceful. Success, successful. Skill, skillful. By adding the suffix LS, LESS, less. Harm, harmless. Use, useless. Mercy, merciless. Care, careless. Again, by adding the suffix able. Break, breakable. Comfort, comfortable. Love, lovable. Accept, acceptable. Here again adding Y. Cloud, cloudy. Wind, windy. Hunger, hungry. Grass, grassy. Again OUS. Glory, glorious. Fame, famous. Religion, religious. Courage, courageous. By adding the suffix ly. Friend, friendly. Year, yearly. Week, weekly. Month, monthly. By adding the suffix ish, ish. Fool, foolish. Fool, foolish. Red, reddish. Red, reddish. Child, childish. Child, childish. Style, stylish. Next, by adding the suffix ive, attract, attractive. Create, creative. Act, active. Protect, protective. See, sometimes we need to change the spelling also of the word before we add a suffix. Sun, sunny. SUNNY, sunny. Day, daily. Talk, talkative. Circle, circular. Machine, mechanical. Clue, clueless. Understood, children? These are the words. By adding suffix, it becomes adjectives. By adding suffix, it becomes adjectives. Everyone write down, children. Understood, children? Everyone write it out because it will be reference for you. Okay, when you're writing in your books, no, it will be reference to you. See, children, what we have done, we have completed our adjective formation. I have shown you the words, no, which is added by the suffix. Write down in your books. Okay, children. Now, what we have learned about adjectives. Once we will go through, okay, children. Children, see what we are doing. We have done about adjectives. First, what we have learned about adjectives? Adjective and kinds. Adjective kinds. Yes, children. What is adjective first? Adjective are the describing words. It describes a noun. Yes, children. Adjective describes the noun. That is called as adjective. Like this boy is tall. Tall is an adjective. Understood, children? Mostly the opposite comes under the adjective. Remember this. Okay. And coming to the kinds of adjective. What we have learned kinds of adjective. How many kinds we have learned? Children, tell me. See here. Listen. Adjective of number. Adjective of quantity. Adjective of quality. And yes, 3 adjectives you told. The remaining adjectives. Determinate adjective and possessive adjective. We have learned this. Yes, children. Adjectives we have learned. Kinds of adjectives we have learned. And degree of comparison. What is the degree of comparison? Yes, we have learned degree of comparison. Positive degree, superlative degree, comparative degree. Yes, children. First is what? Positive degree. Next, comparative. Last is a superlative. It is very easy, no? Positive means what? A word. We are not describing or we are not comparing between any person. We are just describing about one person. He is a good boy. We are describing. Yes, children. When comparative degree, it comes, what happens? We are comparing between 2 persons. Yes, children. We are comparing between 2 persons. Superlative degree, we are comparing with the whole. Means more than 2. More than 2. It can be people, it can be a thing. Okay, children. Now what you will tell, just I will give you an example now. Now I said he is a good boy. Good. And what is the next? Comparative degree. He is better than Ramu. He is better than Ramu. And coming to the superlative degree, he is the best in the class. He is the best in the class. Good, better, best. Have you understood, children? Positive is the good, comparative better, superlative best. Understood? And coming to the adjective of formation. See here, children, what we have done last one, adjective of formation. By adding suffix to the noun and verbs. It can be formed by noun and verbs also. When we are adding to a word a suffix, then it becomes adjective. Understood, children? They can be formed, nouns and verbs also can be formed an adjective. Everyone have understood about the adjectives? We have completed about the adjectives. Everyone have understood. I hope everyone have understood. And do the worksheets, children, which I am giving you. Everyone are doing or not? I hope everyone are doing. Yes, children. Write it in your classwork and do it. The grammar is very, very important in English. Yes, children. Now we have understood about adjectives, no? What we have learnt? Adjectives, kinds of adjectives, degree of comparison, and formation of adjectives. We have learned these 3 topics. In these 3 topics, we have went little bit deeper and we have completed our adjectives. See, remember it, understand it, learn it. Yes, children, I'm telling very slowly to understand you. I'm explaining again and again for you people. Yes, children, adjectives means only you should remember that it is a describing word. Adjectives means what? Describing words. Remember that. Everyone have understood? Now I will show you the worksheets. Write the worksheets and complete it. Okay, children. Then I will understand that you are seeing the videos and understanding the lesson. So here, children, complete this. Complete each sentence by adding a suitable suffix to the word given in brackets. First one, we cancelled the picnic because it was a dash day. In the bracket, rain is there. What you will write, children, there? Rainy day. Okay. Second one, we were spellbound by her dash wonder performance. Third one, some animals migrate dash. In the brackets, annual, in search of food. Fourth one, my mother does not want me at the table with dash fifth hands. Fifth one, children, the dash danger dinosaurs became extinct nearly 100 million years ago. Sixth one. These night shelters have been set up for the dash home people. Mr. Sharma is an extremely dash forget person. We picked some juice berries as we walked along. We looked for a dash lodge to stay in. In the brackets, comfort. The dash performers entertained us all. Joy. See here, complete the funny poem by adding the suffix ish, full or y correctly to the words in the box. Child, help, mud, hair, full. It's fool. Okay, children. Child, help, mud, hair, fool. There was once a dash boy named Cole who stuck himself in a dash hole. To get out all the dash tricks he tried. Till the dash people came to guide, and out climbed Cole like a dash mole. Next one. Write two adjective forms of each of these words. Help, friend, harm. Respect, faith, love. Write down two. Like how you write help, helpful, helpless, friend, friendship. Like this you should write two words. Okay, children. Complete it. These all 3 bits you complete. Okay, children.